Good morning, everyone. This is going to be your part of your weekly update, and we're going to start. We're going to do this in probably three phases. Today, the second phase will be the close, and then probably the third phase, looking at some other sectors aside from just the main market. And this is the S&P 500 futures, and I'm doing the futures because the wave structure or the count, it's a little more defined, I think. I can see a little bit better. So here we go. This is a 30-minute chart. I've been updating this on the 60-minute chart, uh, but on the 30-minute chart you can see the waves a little better, and I can change it back to 60 minutes, but all the numbers are already plugged in, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. So here we have the reverse symmetrical triangle that I've been talking about, and you have your wave structure A, B, C, D, E, and once we hit E, we took off, and you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and between the 3 or 4, this is a 3 or 4 because you have a predefined ABC correction down, and on the to the 5 you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave subwaves. So once we got to the wave 5, I wasn't sure if this was going to be 5 here or 5 over here, but nonetheless, we have stayed in this area, or I thought it was actually down here, but we went a little bit higher. So uh, here we overnight, we stayed in this area, and then we took a look at those job numbers, and we took that dump right before the market opened, and we gapped it down. Here's the thing, though, with this uh, with this. If you can see hear my daughter in the background, uh, with this pattern, um, sometimes we come back to the middle of the pattern until to kind of back test or retest this this uh, this area. This is a very frustrating pattern because not only because the you have higher highs and higher lows, which tends to trap long people that are going long and people that are going short, um, because they say, okay, we have a higher, we took the last highs out, so we're going higher, or we took the previous lows out, so we're going lower. So there's a fight between those two, I guess, bears and bulls and bears. So now what we're doing is back testing the middle of this range. Um, to me, this is just we're gonna have a reversal. This is what I strongly believe because uh, we, this right here was a very strong. Um, we haven't been able to break down from this area, and if you can tell from some of the leaders, like Apple, uh, we have we're in the green, and some of the other leaders like uh, in the technology sectors, we're still in the green, and even high beta stocks like Yahoo.com are pushing to even higher. So the higher betas leaders are the ones telling me that this is just a kind of like we're probably going to be starting us another wave of 1, 2 before we continue our way higher. So, like I said, I'm going to do another video of the close today, and then we'll do another one during the weekend. So, thank you for listening. This is directionalanalysis.com.